Hi, I'm Jared Okada, PGY1 Child Neurology resident at Geisinger Medical Center in Danville, Pennsylvania.
And my name is Rebatiga Mallory. I'm also a PGY1 in child neurology at Geisinger Medical Center in Danville. So, Jared, what is something unique about our program?
I think one thing that's really unique is I feel like the way that the attendings and everyone in the program is invested in our education. They provide us so many opportunities for learning and really encourage us to learn at our own pace while providing a lot of opportunities for cool learning sessions, whether it's didactics or other opportunities. And Rev, what are some things you think incoming learners should know about our program?
Yeah. So something I found really cool from being here the first couple months is the simulations that we're able to participate in right off the bat. For example, like we just did our NG tube simulation, and having opportunities like that is super important when you're getting more into the clinical realm of your field. So super excited to continue doing that and participating in more.
That's awesome. And, being here, right now we're on the pediatrics side. I've met so many good friends, and the class that I've met here are like family now, and I wouldn't trade that for the world.
Well, hope to see you here.